Meet Jim Smith, account manager at a large software company. Jim is just brushing up on the big presentation he's giving tomorrow at the office. Jim sure has worked hard and knows these materials so well he could present them in his sleep. Double check that alarm? You betcha. Sweet dreams, buddy.
With projected sales in the trillions, and that is how we obtain greater profitability and efficiency, as well as greater company morale.
Thank you very much. Yes, I did it.
What? Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Looks like there was a power outage last night. Oh, his trusty cell phone didn't get charged last night either.
I can't believe I overslept. 6 minutes? I gotta be out the door in 6 minutes!
Oh, okay.
Jeez! Freezing! Right, of course, why would it work? Right, of course, why would that work? Not even a cup of coffee? Scrap it. No keys and that. Come on, man. Please, please work. Back in control. It's gonna be a good day after all.
Hi, this is Steve from the Blue Tool Crew. Did you know with the Craftsman garage door opener with a DieHard battery backup, you're guaranteed a reliable, safe, and secure entry and exit from your garage? Even during an outage like the one we just saw, this innovative Craftsman unit continues to open and close the garage door up to 20 more times during a power loss, which keeps you in control. Want to find out more? Go to sears.com/tools to find out more information, or 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, our Blue Crew On Demand is available at 1-877-4-BLUE-CREW to answer all your questions and give you all the help you need. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.